Hey guys, and welcome back to Craft on My Mind. So today we are going to be making DIY keychains as well as bracelets. The special thing about them are that everything is available at your house. You don't need any pro tools. So let's just start. So first of all, you need a cardboard circle and you have to make like 4 sides and then another 4 sides, and just make 8 slits in total and cut them. Now as you're done cutting all your 8 slits, now you have to make a hole in the center. Here you go. And now you need any 4 colors of any thread. You can use wool, or I'm using a twine thingy, but you can use any of them, and I'm using the size of like almost till my elbow, from my fingers till my elbow, the sizes. And you'll need 7 threads, 2 of 3 colors and 1 thread of 1 color, and just like tie all of them together. And now put all of them in the circle that you have made in the cardboard together. And now you have to arrange them in an order that everyone fit in 7 columns. Yep, and the colors that are similar have to go in a straight line, as you can see. And now the empty one, you have to count 3 steps backward and take it and put it in the empty slit. That's what you have to continue doing till the very end, till the bracelet. That's how the bracelet is going to be formed. And as everything will be done till the end, only little part will be left. You have to unwrap the thread and tie a knot in the end. Yeah, that's how you're gonna end a bracelet. After you're done tying the knot, the base form of the bracelet as well as the keychain is formed. So now let's continue with the further steps. Here comes the main part. We are going to be now making DIY bracelets. So I'm using, these are beads that my sister gave me of her bracelet, I guess. These are hoops that I brought long back. And these are clippy things that you get in every bracelet. And these are pipeline rings that I had lying around. And now if you don't have these, you can use like a keychain rings. That's what I used to use when I didn't have these. Yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna first attach these beads, or if you don't have these, you can just like use any pearl or any bead that you have. Just one sort of bead that is of a broken necklace or just of sewing, and just attach after, like just put one more so it's like double layered, and put this hoop so you can put the circle in it. If you don't have these hoops, you can totally make it from your like U-pins or with a scissor and a U-pin. That's what I used to do for making diaries and notebooks. And now I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. So you're done with that. Put the clippy thing in 2 ring pins and put it on one side, and put 2 ring pins on the other side. That's how your bracelet is gonna be ready. After this is done, your bracelet is all ready. Now you can put it on. We are making DIY keychains. So for this you need to just do the steps that we did for the bracelet on just one side, and now you have to attach a tassel. So I'm no expert in making tassels, so I'll link a video down in the description box below, so go check it out. And we are just gonna attach a keychain ring. That was the first method, and this is the second method. So we are gonna do the things that we did for the bracelet on both the sides now. and put 2 rings on each side. And again we are gonna attach this hoopy thing that we are gonna put a tassel on, and if you can just put a tassel directly using a glue gun. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking a ring pin from one side and putting both of them together in just one ring pin and just putting a keychain ring on it. And I'm sure everyone has a keychain ring lying around their house, one broken keychain that you can use, and just make a tassel again. You can either use pom-poms, but I think tassels make it look cuter, so that's what I'm using. And I'll link a video again down in the description box below. And I'm just gonna attach it using a glue gun, and your keychain's all ready. The third thing is friendship bracelet. So this is just like, you can use any wool, any string. These are just tie-on friendship bracelets. So what you need to do is just repeat the same process with wool and your friendship bracelet is all ready, and just tie it on your friend's hand on friendship day. And yeah, those were all the DIYs that we made today out of this friendship bracelet thingy. Do subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Please stay indoors, stay safe, and wear your mask if you're going out, and just be safe.